Hello and welcome to Insane Graphics, everything on your smartphone and nothing more, nothing less. Today I want to briefly guide you on the applications you need, especially if you are basically going to use your smartphone for video tutorials. You want to screen record, you want to edit your videos, you want to compress your videos, you want to do a lot of things on your mobile phone. Perhaps you don't have a system or you need a YouTube channel and you want to be releasing content, then you need the following applications. I'm going to show you briefly 4 main applications that you need. 3 of them very important. You can interchange one for the other, but you need these 4. I use them a lot. Now let's go deeply into that. These are the 4 main applications you need on your smartphone, especially if you want to generate or create content, videos, you want to edit videos, you want to produce videos, you want to compress videos, you need this. For screen recording, you need X recorder, exactly. Then for video editing, you have Power Director. Then we have Filmora for video editing too. And then we have video compressing application. We have video compressor. Briefly, I'll take them one after the other. For screen recording, you can see the video I'm producing right now is by the aid of X recorder. You can see X recorder. You can see my picture here. You can see me moving it. It is through X recorder. Exactly. Let's tap on it. You open it. Look at your home tab. These are your videos. You can also use it to edit your videos. For your camera, this is it. You can see this icon. It's basically for your camera. If you want to record yourself, like you want to see me do now, you tap on this icon. Then you switch camera by using this back facing camera and front facing camera. Then you can also adjust your camera. Tap on this setting icon. You want to use circle, use this. Rectangle, use this. Bright, warm, and dark. Let's leave it at bright. We'll do this. Well, you can see that this camera is not adequately functioning, so you need to stretch it. But while stretching it, you can see it is not being affected. I hope you are getting it. So what you need to do is to close the window and tap on this, stretch it, drag it. You can see it has reset itself. I hope this is clear. Then tap on this and switch to circle. That is it. So this is how I record myself as we are producing this video. So you tap on this, you return, then you have screenshot. You use this icon. This is the brush tool. Then we have this tool, the recording tool. Then you have this plus icon, record video, live stream. I also use this app to stream on YouTube. You can use this to stream on YouTube for your channel. Exactly, I'll show you this in another tutorial video. I hope you are following. Then here you can edit your videos. You can merge videos and photos. You can edit, you can compress. You can see you can compress your videos using X recorder. I hope it is clear. Then you can set this according to your taste. So basically, I use this application X recorder for screen recording myself and recording my face at the same time. I hope that is clear. Then for video editing, you need Power Director. I use this a lot. This is the interface of Power Director generally. This is how it is. If you want the portrait mode, use this. If you want to change portrait mode, you have aspect ratio. Use this and change the aspect ratio. You can see that. You can do that with these applications. Then for text, this for editing videos, this for text. If you want to add text, these are different text too. You have a lot of them. This is Power Director. I use this to edit my videos. These are the options you have on Power Director, but you also need internet connection for this. So you need to have data. So let's start. You can see this. You can see this. So this is Power Director. This is text. You can add text, you can edit this text, and so much more. This is a video. You want to import a video, you can do that from your device, or you can download online. You see this? I use this too a lot. All the resources you need online, you use this iStock, Getty Images. This is pro version, this is free version. Imagine let's say boy animation. Let's see what will come out from here. Boy animation. You need a very strong internet connection. Whatever I search for, you see them here. You can see these are different animations. Exactly. Downloadable. For these are free content. You can use them. You can search for anything here. Then for these are pro versions. You need to pay in order to use these ones. So I use this a lot for my teaching channel. You can use this to produce your own video or edit your video. Then you have different options here too. Then for images, the same thing. Photos, you need that. Then for color, you need this. I hope you are following. This is just the interface of Power Director. Then for audio too, you can import music or audio file either from your device, or from other sources online. Then you can also select this option. This is sound effects, effect of sound. You can download them. This is voiceover. You can run voiceover here, and also you can edit your audio, background noise. You can remove them also. We have AI effects, adjustments, you have stickers, decoration effect, and so much more that you can use your Power Director to produce your movies or your videos. You can edit and produce. If you want to produce your video, tap on this icon. You can see up to 4K resolution. There is no restriction. You can produce your video. Then number 3 application is Filmora. Now, if you know how to use Power Director, you might not need this application, but you will need it. This the only thing I need is Filmora for this caption, AI caption. Can you see this? Because of this, I also use this for my videos. I hope you are following. Now, but if you know how to use Filmora perfectly, you don't need Power Director. So this is your new project. You can produce your video. You can see video, photo, cloud, materials. You sign in, stock images. You can download from here. You can search. Exactly. Let's say boy animation. Let's see what come out from here. Can you see what has come out? These are some of the images you have here. This is Filmora. Then captioning. You can caption your video. For example, if you have a video, you can import that video into this application and it will caption it for you perfectly. You can also edit the captioning. Then you have AI auto cut, you have text to video, AI to AI remover. You can do that. You can trim your video, speed, AI show, and so many things you can do with this application. So I use this especially for captioning. Then finally, this video compressor. I use this to compress the size of my videos. So here it is. If you have a video, let's say this one that is about it is about at 1.43 megabyte. You can decide to compress this video. I hope you are following. You have options, resolution to choose from. You could do that and the size of your video will be reduced and the quality will be maintained. I hope this is clear. So you can compress images, you can trim, you can videos, speed your production, you can crop your video, convert videos, and so much more. So that is that for these. As you watch this video, the captioning, I'm going to use this Filmora to caption it. So as you are watching this video, you see the captioning being displayed. I use this tool, this icon. So that is that for these. So these are the four main applications you need as a video producer or content producer when it comes to smartphone usage and you want to screen record yourself or screen record whatever is going on. Either you're a teacher, graphic designer, or whatever, you can use these applications and they will help you massively to produce your video perfectly. I hope this is clear. Mind you, everything done on this video as you are watching it is purely on mobile, smartphone. So thank you for joining us. I'll be going through each of these applications and much more later in this channel. If you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe.